Okay, what's going on?
You're in trouble because you need to do this fucking board and you are not doing it. Okay?
We're just hanging out. Is there a problem with that?
You want to hang out? Okay, let's just hang out and be besties. Here, we'll sit really close.
Like, you don't understand. You came in and you guys have it easy compared to what I had to do.
Mm-hmm.
Right? For me, like, okay, when I first started streaming, I played marbles.
You
know marbles?
sound like, you know what you sound like? You sound like a fucking grandfather that's like, back in my day,
well, I'm basically a grandfather around here.
Yeah, you look like one. Stop.
Okay, so, but
I can smell your burp, Miz.
I played marbles all day.